Hey there, people! Welcome to another electrifying episode, and today we are going to dive deep into the world of digital finance. Today we're unraveling the mystery behind cryptocurrency and exploring how this revolutionary technology is reshaping our financial landscape. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey through the crypto universe. Imagine a world where you can send money across the globe in seconds, without relying on banks or governments. That's the promise of cryptocurrency. At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, it's not issued by any central authority, making it theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. But here's where it gets exciting. Cryptocurrencies are more than just digital money. They're a technological revolution that's challenging our very concept of value and exchange. Bitcoin, the first and most famous cryptocurrency, burst onto the scene in 2009, and since then, the crypto world has exploded with innovation. Now, let's talk about the real game changer: blockchain technology. Picture a digital ledger that's duplicated and distributed across an entire network of computer systems. This is the blockchain, and it's the foundation upon which cryptocurrencies are built. Here's how it works. 1. When you make a transaction, it's broadcast to a network of computers. 2. These computers, or nodes, validate the transaction. 3. Once verified, the transaction is combined with others to create a new block of data for the ledger. 4. This block is then added to the existing blockchain in a way that's permanent and unalterable. The beauty of this system lies in its transparency and security. Every transaction is visible to everyone on the network, yet it's nearly impossible to hack or cheat the system. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency mining. No, we're not talking about pickaxes and hard hats. Crypto mining is the process by which new coins are created and transactions are verified. Imagine a global competition where computers race to solve complex mathematical problems. The first to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block to the blockchain and is rewarded with newly minted coins. This is known as proof of work, and it's how Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies operate. But here's the kicker. As more miners join the network, the puzzles become harder to solve, requiring more computational power. This has led to the rise of massive mining farms. While Bitcoin might be the poster child of cryptocurrency, it's just the tip of the iceberg. The crypto ecosystem has exploded with thousands of alternative coins, or altcoins, each with its own unique features and use cases. Let's spotlight a few game changers. 1. Ethereum. More than just a currency, Ethereum is a platform for building decentralized applications and smart contracts. 2. Binance Coin, BNB. Powering the largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance BNB has become a cornerstone of the crypto trading world. 3. Solana. Known for its blazing fast transaction speeds and low fees, Solana is giving Ethereum a run for its money in the world of decentralized finance, DeFi. 4. Ripple, XRP. Designed for lightning-fast, low-cost global payments, Ripple is shaking up the world of international finance. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The crypto world is constantly evolving, with new trends emerging at breakneck speed. Hold on to your hats, because we're about to venture into the cutting edge of crypto technology. Enter the world of crypto AI agents, where artificial intelligence meets blockchain to create autonomous digital entities that can analyze data, make predictions, and execute transactions without human intervention. Imagine an AI that can manage your DeFi portfolio, execute trades, and generate revenue through blockchain activities, all while you sleep. That's the promise of platforms like Virtuals Protocol and AI16Z. These AI agents are not just a sci-fi fantasy. They're already making waves in the crypto world. In fact, by 2025, it's predicted that on-chain AI agent activity will surpass 1 million agents. We're talking about a whole new ecosystem of digital workers, tirelessly optimizing strategies and maximizing returns. Now, let's talk about a trend that's set to revolutionize how we think about ownership and investment: real-world asset RWA tokenization. Imagine you want to invest in real estate, but you don't have millions to buy a whole building. With RWA tokenization, you could buy a digital token representing a fraction of that building, It's like buying shares in a company, but for physical assets. This isn't just limited to real estate. We're seeing tokenization of everything from art and collectibles to commodities and even intellectual property. By the end of 2025, experts predict the value of tokenized real-world assets could exceed $50 billion. That's a 25-fold increase from just a few years ago. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is another game-changing trend that's reshaping the financial landscape. Imagine a world where you can lend, borrow, and earn interest on your crypto assets without ever stepping foot in a bank. DeFi platforms are built on blockchain technology, typically using smart contracts to automate financial transactions. They offer services like lending, borrowing, and trading, all without the need for intermediaries. And the growth in this sector is mind-blowing. By 2025, it's predicted that DeFi will reach all-time highs with $4 trillion in decentralized exchange DEX volumes and $200 billion in total value locked TVL. That's a lot of zeros. Despite its promise, the crypto world faces significant challenges. Security remains a major concern, with high-profile hacks and scams making headlines. The challenge lies in balancing the openness and decentralization that make cryptocurrencies unique with the need for robust security measures. Scalability is another hurdle. As more people use cryptocurrencies, networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum have struggled to keep up with the volume of transactions, leading to slow processing times and high fees. Solutions like Layer 2 protocols are being developed to address these issues. By 2025, we could see Bitcoin Layer 2s reach 100,000 BTC in total value locked, dramatically improving Bitcoin's scalability and usability. Adoption remains perhaps the biggest challenge. While cryptocurrencies have come a long way, they're still far from mainstream use. However, with major companies like Tesla, PayPal, and Visa embracing cryptocurrencies, we could see a tipping point in adoption in the coming years. As we conclude our crypto journey, it's clear that cryptocurrencies are reshaping our financial landscape. From blockchain to AI agents and tokenized assets, crypto is a hotbed of innovation, challenging traditional systems and redefining digital ownership. While hurdles like security and regulation exist, the crypto community continues to adapt and innovate. Looking ahead to 2025 and beyond, crypto's future shines bright. Whether you're an investor, developer, or simply curious, the crypto revolution awaits. Remember Satoshi Nakamoto's words about trust in conventional currency. With crypto, we're building a new system based on math, cryptography, and collective power. The future is crypto, and it's just beginning.